Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys! Today, in this occasion, we will present about hortatory and analytical exposition types. But before that happen, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Alafet Wadana.
My name is Rama Ramadhani.
And is Mama Chandra Winata.
My name is Era Ibn Rajri. My name is Lama Balaki. My name is Amrul Iwan. My name is Muhammad Fagaida.
Okay guys, let's get started.
Analytical expression text. 1. Definition. Analytical expression is one form of argumentation text. English expert define analytical expression text as follows. Analytical expression is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. If translated into Indonesian language, is an analytical expression text is a text or text which describes the author's opinion about the phenomenon that is happening around us. The exhibition is a text that outlines the idea surrounding the author of the phenomenon. The social function is to convince the reader that the idea is the important thing.
Social function. The function of analytical expression text is to import ideas about distribution, traits, existing phenomena of is and to compensate rather text. The topic presented is an important topic to distribute.
Purpose. The main goal of analytical expression text is to convince the reader that the issue being discussed is important. In short, analytical expression text contains writing that set the reader that the topic being discussed has considerable significance. With short, we remember that analytical expression text do not aim to change the reader's view, but rather merely present the author's view or opinion.
Generic structure. Thesis is contains the writer opinion about something. It also includes topic and indicator to writer portion. Arguments. It contains the argument to support the writer portion. The number of arguments may vary, but each argument must be support the events and explanation. Reiteration is in status the writer portion to strengthen the thesis, reveals the main idea of a text as the closing of the text without inclusion or recommendation.
5. Language feature. 1. Simple present tense. Expresses facts, habits, or general truths in the present time. Example, I believe education is important. 2. Focus on one issue. Focus on the main topic to explain or support an argument. Example, why education should prioritize. 3. Expressions to state a belief or opinion. Express beliefs or opinions. Example, in my opinion, education opens opportunities. 4. Conjunctions to show logical relations. Connect arguments logically. A. Temporal. Shows sequence. First or second. B. Causal. Shows cause and effect, because and lead to. C. Comparative. Shows comparison, however, on the other hand. D. Concluding. Summarize, therefore, and consequently.
Five. Modal verbs. Express possibility, negatibility, or ability. Example, we shall develop better strategies. 6. Relational process. Express relationship, or condition. Example, education constitutes a foundation for success. 7. Evidence and opinions from expert use fact or expert opinions to strengthen argument. Example, expert state that education improve economic growth. 8. Ordinal number to sequence arguments, organic arguments. Example, first, education builds knowledge. Second, it creates opportunities.
Example, the impact of cultural globalization. Thesis, Jakarta Culture and Tourism Agency Head Ali Budiman said JKT48 was deliberately selected as Jakarta would target Japanese tourists, whose number has continuously declined over the last few years. Argumentation. The BPS data also found the total number of foreign tourists in Jakarta reached nearly 174 ribu as of Juli 2014. China ranked first with 17.211 visitors and Japan second with 14.455. Founded only in 2011, the third younger band JKT48 has quite a big fan base in Jakarta and elsewhere, and its link to Japan's AKB48 will surely help bridge the Japanese and Indonesian people culturally. Conclusion: the inclusion of Indo-Park to the promotional tourism package is not only expand the market to young tourists from across the world, but it is also help the industry survive competition. Hortatory exposition text. 1. Definition. Hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain the listener or reader that something should or should not happen or be done. To strengthen the explanation, the speaker or writer needs some argument as the fundamental reason of the given idea.
Social function. The social function of a hortatory exposition text is to persuade the reader or listener that a particular idea, action, or condition should or should not be the case. It aims to influence opinions and encourage the audience to take a specific stance or action based on the argument and recommendation present in the text.
The purpose of hortatory text is to convey the audience to text or vision pursuit of actions addressing and supporting arguments or casing the recapture and adventure to a problem or question.
4. Generic structure. 1. Thesis. It contains the writer's opinion about something. It also introduces topic and indicates the writer's positions. These parts introduce the topic or issue of concern. The thesis aims to provide an initial overview of the problem being discussed, including its significance. It serves as the foundation that guides the reader towards understanding the arguments that will be presented. B. Arguments. This section contains the reason supporting the writer's sentence on the issue. Each argument, explained logically and backed by facts, data, or examples to strengthen the writer's position. The purpose of this part is to convince the reader that the issue is important and requires attention to our actions. C. Recommendation. It tells the reader advice or suggestions about what should be done based on the arguments given before.
Danger Peter. Simple present tense are tense to talk about facts, habits, or general truths. Example: people need clean water. 2. Abstract nouns. Nouns turning either belief or qualities. Example: honey, freedom, belief. 3. Action verbs. Verbs to show physical or mental action. Example: run, read, watch, think. 4. Thinking verbs. Verbs to show a thought or opinion. Example: believe, wish, consider.
5. Moderate verbs. Words that show certainty or possibility in sentence. Example: probably and surely. 6. Temporal connective words that show time, order to sequence. Example: firstly and lastly. 7. Evaluative words. Words used to show judgment or opinion about something. Example: valuable and important. 8. Passive voice. A sentence where the object becomes the subject and the action is done by someone else. Example: the rules were explained by the teacher.
6. Example: watch your kid while watching TV. Thesis: television becomes one of the most important device which taken place in almost house. It can unite all members of the family as well as separate them. However, is it important to know what your kids are watching? The answer is of course, absolutely yes, and that should be done by all parents. Television can expose things you have tried to protect the children from, especially violence, pornography, consumerism, and so on. Argumentation. Recently, a study demonstrated that spending too much time on watching TV during the day or at bedtime often causes bedtime disruption, stress, and short sleep duration. Another research found that there is a significant relationship between the amount of time spent for watching television during adolescence and early adulthood, and the possibility of being aggressive. Meanwhile, many studies have identified a relationship between kids who watch TV a lot and being ineffective and overweight. Recommendation: considering some facts mentioned above, protect your child with the following tips. 1. Limit television viewing to 1 or 2 hours each day. 2. Do not allow your children to have a TV set in their own bedroom. 3. Review the rating of TV show which your children watch. 4. Watch television with your children and discuss what is happening in the show.
So guys, reorientation is an analytical exposition which states the writer's opinion to reinforce the argument, while recommendation in a hortatory exposition suggests what the reader should do based on the arguments presented. Okay guys, I think that's all from our video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.